Jo Leute, ich bin gerade auf dem Weg in die Schweiz nach Winterthur, nämlich zum Skillspark. Und da möchte ich ein paar geile Tricks lernen, zum Beispiel Backflip, 360, No Hand.
Gotta make it, gotta chase it. I don't care what they be saying, I'ma do it now. And I've been really straight, and I ain't giving up and I ain't giving in. Do it now for the dividends. I'll be on the path, I just gotta get it, cause I got my mind.
Also ich bin jetzt in Winterthur in der Schweiz angekommen. Skillspark gibt es dann morgen, weil jetzt ist es halt schon zu spät. Achso, und vergessen habe ich noch zu sagen, dass Max leider nicht mit durfte, aber der darf dann in den Sommerferien. Erstmal noch den Wildpark auschecken. So, jetzt noch ein paar Aufwärmübungen für morgen.
I'm a monster, there's some things that I might see. And when I do, I could never get no sleep. Cause I just need to get it, man, I need to be the thing that I just painted out, man, you won't go see. See my vision, I'll be in it, I'ma kill it, I'ma take it all. Coming in, I'ma play it now, I'ma kill him dog, I'ma play the ball. Cause I gotta go and get it, man, I really just need it. Tell these guys that they can beat it, I'ma give it, I'ma grab it, man. Take it, never receive it, I'ma make it mine. I'm explosive like a mine, I've been working every time. Yeah, I do it on the grind, I'ma shine, yeah, every single day. I'ma kill this competition cause I'm going so insane. Hey, I really go so insane. Yeah, I guess really ran through the pain, but I'm just back on my path and I fixed it now. It's really okay. So I ain't gonna waste my chance and just my time. So I'ma be a monster. I'ma kill him. This is mine. Yeah, yeah. Turn the crib into a club like Hennessy, booze, give me thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Whoa, everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know, Britain know I hit the lotto, my motto. Roll up gelato and throttle, a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone ham, this ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am, burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis, hey.
Scheiße, Mann. Ich weiß nicht, was mit mir los ist. Heute geht's irgendwie nicht, aber ich hatte das Gefühl, dass ich kurz davor war. Aber morgen ziehe ich auf jeden Fall durch. Egal was jetzt ist, ich ziehe es zu 1.000.000% durch.
Never an average night, 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break at night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mine, we triple up, they on the double up, triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you